20 years ago, millions of people in over 80 countries discovered a worldwide fitness phenomenon, the AB Doer. Now meet the all-new AB Doer 360. It combines ab toning and muscle shaping with aerobics to dramatically shed pounds and get sensational washboard abs, whether you're a beginner or an athlete. The secret to the AB Doer 360 is the patented core support column that allows you to work every region of your midsection. Best of all, you even get an invigorating back massage. It features over a dozen breakthrough innovations, including the amazing new dynamic fluidity seat. Just like a stability ball engages your core, the fluidity seat makes your muscles automatically fire. You'll burn more calories for a total body transformation, faster than ever.
I got on that machine the first day and went, this is going to do the job. I lost 22.5 pounds.
You want to feel like it's fun and easy, and that's what's so great about the AB Doer. In just 8 weeks, I lost 17.5 pounds and 17 inches using the AB Doer.
Now that I've lost these 31 pounds, my God, I feel like I'm a different person. This is amazing.
University research shows the AB Doer 360 activates abs just like a gold standard crunch, but you're off the floor in padded comfort. Target your arms, chest, and back, as well as your legs, thighs, and glutes.